Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Eat and Travel Stories, and today's recipe is Lauki with chingri. It's bottle green gourd and dry prawns. Well, I know this Lauki or this bottle green gourd doesn't taste good, but it's healthy, and if you try in this way, definitely it tastes good. And I have mentioned the recipe in the description box as well as in the comment section. You can go and check it out, the full recipe. So do watch the full video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel Eat and Travel Stories. So enjoy the video.